Hello all, welcome to chapter 20 from the book of Numbers. In the beginning of this chapter, we see the children of Israel reached the wilderness of Zin and stayed in Kadesh. Miriam dies and is buried here. Miriam is, as we know, Moses' sister. We then see the Israelites did not have water to drink. They complained to Moses and Aaron, saying it was better if they would have been in Egypt or dead. Moses and Aaron go to the tabernacle and fall on their faces. Glory of the Lord appeared to them. God informs Moses to gather the congregation and speak to the rock, and the rock would yield water for the Israelites. Moses gathered the Israelites and used his staff to strike the rock twice, and water came out of the rocks and was enough for the Israelites and their animals. God said to Aaron and Moses that they did not honor God. God accuses Moses that it was Moses' unbelief that caused him to use his staff instead of speaking to the rock. God punishes them and says that they will not lead the Israelites into the promised land. We then see Moses sent messengers to the king of Edom, asking permission to move through his land and promised not to take anything from his territory. The king of Edom refuses to let the Israelites pass through his land. Israel therefore turned away from him. Towards the end of this chapter, we see from Kadesh the whole congregation reached Mount Hor. God spoke to Moses and Aaron and informed that Aaron will not enter the promised land because of the disobedience at the water of Meribah. God instructs Moses to bring Aaron and Eleazar his son to Mount Hor. God asks Moses to strip Aaron of his priestly garments, and the same was put on Eleazar. Aaron died on the top of the mountain. When the Israelites come to know that Aaron is dead, they mourn for 30 days. This is how the chapter ends. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Until next time, may God bless us all. Bye bye.